Hey, how are you today? In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify some tables in Act. So, for an example, Act CRM, the desktop version, has four major tables: contact, company, groups, and opportunities. And sometimes you may want to change, and for whatever reason, change the name of those. And so I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. And we're going to do it really quick. It's really fast. It's really simple. And this is something that you can do using our product called Navbar Manager. Let's show you how this works. All right. In Act, it has four major tables in Act. You got contacts, groups, companies, and way down here, opportunities. Now, before I show you how you can change the labels of those, you should be aware that there's a little tab that you can click on here, and you can do navbar options just in case you wanted to move stuff around. Not a lot of people are aware of this, but if I wanted to have change this around a little bit, and let's say I wanted to have my opportunities that are way down here and I want to move them up. Let's say move that up, and then let's look at, so I've got contacts, and maybe I want companies in front of groups, and then I've got groups and I've got opportunities. Maybe I want to have opportunities in front of groups. You can change the nav bar order of these, all of these items that are on the nav bar. You can change the order of where you'd like them. And it actually, if you uncheck any of these, they just won't display. So that gives you another option as well. So I'm going to press OK. So I've got contacts, companies, opportunities, and groups. Now, how do I change it? Once Navbar Changer has, or Navbar Manager has been installed, click on the Tools drop-down menu, go to Navbar Manager, and you're going to be able to change all four of these. Now, you have to do them one at a time, and each time you change one, it's going wants you to reboot the Act software so that it will make those particular changes. But you have to do them one at a time. So, for an example, let's just talk about what you may want to change them to. So, for an example, companies, maybe you want to have those as accounts because that's kind of the verbiage in your organization. Maybe you want to have opportunities as quotes, or maybe you're using opportunities for another thing other than using it for quotes. Like, for an example, accountants may use it for work in progress and use that to track the work that they're working on, like year ends and tax end of year tax stuff. Um, so you may want to change these to your liking. Groups, maybe you're using groups for a specific reason and you want to change the label of that. So I'm going to choose companies, and I'm going to change the name to accounts. All right, once I've typed that in, all I have to do is press OK. It's going to tell me that I need to reboot this Act software in order for the changes to take effect. So I'm going to click OK. So as you can see over here, it now says accounts right here. Let me just zoom in a little bit here so you can see that says accounts. And so it's just that simple and easy to use. I'm going to do one more just to show you how to do that. We're going to change groups, and maybe we're managing events. And those events can be all sorts of things: webinars, seminars, training, whatever it is that you want to do. And we want to track that with groups. So I'm going to go back up here to Tools, down here to Navbar Manager. I'm going to go over here down to Groups now, and I'm going to put Events and click OK. And then it wants me to restart Act to take effect of those changes. So as you can see here now, I've restarted. I've got now companies, I've got our contacts, accounts, opportunities, and I've got events. And it's just that simple and easy to use. Just figure out what you want to make the changes for and go into Navbar Manager and make the adjustments. Just that simple. So if you want to try this out for 15 days, in the description down below, you'll see a link down to download and trial it out for 15 days. See if you like it, see if it makes sense. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you with this application if this is something that would work for you in your environment. All the best and have yourself a great rest of your day. Bye for now.